So I better dust off the old Action 2. DJI has just released a new firmware update. Is it better than the Hero 10 now? Well, it's better than it was. Just so you know, that wasn't dust, that was a lot of glitter, and now it's everywhere for the rest of my life.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and don't be a stranger. Oh, whiskey. There was, in fact, a big update to the Action 2, and you know what? I'm not gonna spend this whole video listing out everything, but I will put a link to a video that does do that I think is very educational, in case you're looking for that. But let me just tell you the biggest updates that stand out to me. So with DJI Stabilization, they have Steady, they have Rock Steady, they have Super Rock Steady, maybe that's not a thing. But the big thing is they have 4K with a thing called horizon balancing. And why that's a cool update is because with 4K footage, it's nice to have horizon balancing. So if you go up to 45-degree angle each way, it'll actually keep the horizon completely balanced in your footage. So what's cool about this is for vlogging, when you have horizon balancing on, so you don't have to worry about moving side to side, it actually keeps the horizon perfectly balanced. So right now I'm about 45 degrees, and maybe I'll go 90, you can see what it's gonna do there. I actually think that that's a really massive update. Before this update, if you wanted to get that horizon lock, I mean, it was a horizon lock at any degree angle, but you'd only get that at 1080p or 2K. Now at 4K, having that horizon balance up to 45 degrees is really nice. Another really nice update is if you get the DJI Wireless Microphone. It does work with the Action 2 where you can stop and start recording. And I'll actually make a video of the quality of that microphone when it comes in. So they have some other user interface updates, something with the zoom where you have to hold your finger down on it to activate the zoom, or formatting your SD card, you have to do an extra swipe just so you don't accidentally format your SD card. And there's some other updates with time-lapse power consumption and stuff. Okay, now with all of that updated, is it better than the Hero 10? Well, no, I don't think so. I don't even think it's better than the Hero 9. And there's two reasons why. For one, it's the workflow. It's kind of annoying actually to have a power module, and if you have an SD card in here and you have your built-in memory, it's kind of annoying to have to get your files off of this SD card by transferring. And then also, if you want waterproof, you only have this bit that's waterproof for a limited time, and this bit is not waterproof. If you wanted that front-facing camera, you have to get a completely different module. If you want extra batteries, like with the GoPro, it's nice because you can have a bunch of different batteries you can put in there. With this, you'll just have to bring a power bank to charge it up. I mean, don't get me wrong, the picture's good, the idea is good, it's just missing something. And for the second reason, it's gonna boil down to the price. Because in my opinion, the price for this Action 2 is still too high. If you wanted to get the Action 2 with the front-facing screen, all the bells and whistles that will kind of compete with the Hero 10, you're paying a lot more money, especially if you can buy the 10 with the subscription price, which is a no-brainer because you get like a lot of extra perks. And maybe you're watching this and you're going, oh, you're just a GoPro fanboy and GoPro pays you the big bucks. GoPro does not even know I exist. I'm maybe partially sure about that. But also around my studio, I use a lot of different cameras from Sony to GoPro to Action 2 to Insta360. So I'm not really just sold on one camera, but every time I use the GoPro, especially Hero 9 and Hero 10, I'm not disappointed. I would love to know in the comments, what camera do you use or what camera are you thinking about buying in the future? But that's it. You know what? I really wanted the Action 2 to be a revolutionary camera, and you know, there's still hope. Maybe there'll be future firmware updates, or maybe the Action 3 will come out and blow us all away. Who knows? That's just a quick video for me today to tell you about this firmware update and keep you updated on all of this action camera goodness. I have a lot of videos to get to, and you know, thanks again so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.
Mr. Black.